Pronouns are small, but they expose your English level instantly. In this video, I'll explain you the types of pronouns with examples. Let's see the comprehensive breakdown of English pronouns types. Number one is personal pronouns. These represent specific people or things and change based on case like subject or object and number. Now, subjects I, we, you, they, he, she, it, and object me, you, him, her, it, us, and them. Next is possessive pronouns. This indicates the ownership without needing a following noun like mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, and theirs. Example, that book is mine. The third one is reflexive and intensive pronouns. These end in self or selves, referring back to the subject or emphasizing it. Like the forms are myself, himself, herself, itself, ourself, yourself, themself, and oneself. Example, I cut my finger myself while cooking. Now, next is demonstrative pronouns. These point to specific item. Near, this, this. This is my favorite book. It is near. Okay. Far, that, those. That is a beautiful garden. Now, next is relative pronouns. These link clauses or phrases to a noun or pronoun like who, whom, whose, which, and that. Example, the boy who came first in the exam is here. The next is interrogative pronouns used to ask questions like who, whom, whose, what, which. An example, who is waiting outside. Next is indefinite pronoun, refer to non-specific people or things. Example, another, any, anybody, anyone, anything, both, each, either, everybody, everyone, everything, neither, nobody, no one, another, some, somebody, someone, few, many. Example is anybody outside. And eighth one is reciprocal pronouns used for mutual relations like each other, one another. Example, my wife and I help each other. Now, forms if you say each, either, neither. Either of these books will help you. Thank you.